Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to assign a user to group on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on DocuSign.com and then select settings. So now scroll down and select groups on your left side. Now select that particular group in which you want to assign a user. Now select its actions button. Now select users. Now get on the top right corner and here select this assign users button. Now you need to select a user. For that you need to assign it like this and then select on assign button, which is on the bottom left corner. And that's how you guys can successfully assign a user to your group on DocuSign. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.